morning, everybody. It's Taylor Christian Joe. Today I got a special guest with me today, fishing in this windy day. Jay Angel is out here fishing with me today. Deborah decided to stay home. We're kind of out here in hurricane force winds. You know, the weatherman said it was supposed to be about a 12-mile-per-hour wind today, but we're blowing about 20, 25 right now. So, hey man, we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot and see if we can't catch anything. Y'all stay tuned. Look at this. On the board. Delta Lures chatter type bait, bladed jig, shad crack. Got one? Jacked up. Today is just a thunder jig kind of day.
I get a picture of you with that one?
Well, he was in the boat.
Was that an alligator?
That was a big giant gulper. I didn't want to catch it.
I saw an alligator back here earlier, that's why I asked.
I saw him. No, it was a gulp. When I cast, he came up, and I saw him. Like, holy crap! I'm gonna catch him. He's a big one.
5-footer?
Yeah.
Every bit of 5 foot.
Hey guys, it's Taylor Christian Joe. Hey, I'm going to talk a little bit about that trip I made with Jay Angel. Really, it was a day that he should have stayed home. You know, we had super high tides. We had gale force winds out there. We had 30-mile-per-hour winds blowing all day. You know, we went to several boat launches in the morning to try to launch the boat, and even the launches were closed. They had the floodgates closed in several places. So, you know, but we made it. We ended up launching and we made a run to where we wanted to go fish. And it was tough. You know, there was white caps everywhere. There was white caps where we were fishing at, you know, but we managed to catch a couple of fish. I mean, we didn't kill them, but we managed to catch a few fish on a tough day, you know. Like I said, man, there was 3-foot waves on the way back and we had to fight just to get back to the launch. But, you know, I enjoyed the trip. I enjoyed fishing with Jay Angel. Can't wait for him to go back and do it again. But, you know, there's some other things I want to talk to you about. You know, we now have our own a new website, you know, that you can go on and look up for Crusher Gel. If you want to buy our gel, you could go to www.crushergelbashcrack.com and you can use your credit card or debit card, whatever you want, on the site to pay for your gel. You know, I also want to say we really appreciate everybody that's been watching our channel and that's subscribed to our channel. And, you know, if you've been watching our channel and you haven't subscribed to it, could y'all please subscribe to our channel? That would help us out a lot. So that's all. I'd say thanks for everything and God bless, and we'll see y'all on the next one.